about to win this bitch.
Hella going crazy.
I ain't trusting no nigga, fucking me. I keep my paper straight, like some fucking genius. Davidson for life, that's the fucking team. Laying hoes out, like some bad planes. Looking at my shoes, I don't have to see the weather. Gucci on my waist, looking at the finest leather. I'm in the mall, cashing out, and everybody staring. I think I paid for attention, all these double straps. $250 for the jeans, you ain't paying for that. Stepping out the car at beach, money in my lap. Keys in the car, selling O's out the back. Shout out to my nigga Kev, he ain't going back. You on the block, posted up, holding these fucking straps. You tryna play, you better watch, ain't no fucking hand. You can get your ass popped like some fucking cans. You can get your ass popped like some fucking cans. I've been driving foreign since I was 16, bitch. Hoes asking me, do I sip lean? No. Ops on my head cause I be getting green, bitch.
Ops on my head cause I be getting green.
I ain't trusting no nigga, fucking me. I keep my paper straight, like some fucking genius. Davidson for life, that's the fucking team. I'm laying hoes out, like some bad pains. I ain't trusting no nigga, fucking me. I keep my paper straight, like some fucking genius. Davidson for life, that's the fucking team. I'm laying hoes out, like some bad pains. All y'all niggas froze, y'all be cuffin' hoes. I'ma hit her once, then pass it to my bros. Polo on my feet like a nigga horsing around. When I come with that spray, you better not make a sound. I'm painting niggas all red like a fucking clown. If that bitch don't text me first, I ain't texting back. I had to learn the hard way, never trust a rat. I left her ass open like some cardos. I keep a 40 in the bands in my cargo. She ate a nigga dick, kinda like some muncho. I had to bust on her face on some freaky shit. That bitch 3 inches, so you know I had to hit a lick. Bitch. Alright. Broke ass.